channel. Here is a creative hub. Today I am going to show you how to make a soft clay easily using chalk powder and Fevicol. First, take a measuring cup, measure 2 cups of chalk powder and 1 cup of Fevicol using the same cup. Pour the Fevicol into the bowl first, then add some tissue paper. You can use toilet tissue paper or napkin tissue paper, either it's one is fine. Now mix it really well. Keep mixing until the tissue paper fiber completely dissolve into the glue. You should not be able to see any tissue pieces. This step takes a little patience, so keep mixing until the texture becomes smooth. Once that's done, start adding the chalk powder little by little while mixing continuously. Even if you follow the same ratio, the final consistency may vary depending on the brand of chalk powder and Fevicol you are using. Sometimes you may need to add a little more chalk powder. If your mixture feels very watery, simply add a little more chalk powder and mix again. To check the consistency, roll a small piece into a thin rope. If it cracks middle, adjust the mixture. If needed, add a little more Fevicol and mix again until the clay becomes soft and smooth. Once your clay is ready, store it in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 6 months and it will stay perfectly usable. This is the clay I made for the first time. Did you like it? If you did, I will upload the next video showing how I made this cute elephant doll using the same clay. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Every like, every share, every subscription motivate me to create more fun and creative project for you. Thank you so much for your support and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.